What time is it?
Okay? That's the best advice. And do not stick to the trend. Why? It varies all the time. I have a bride pagka. No, nag-bride ko pagka. Nangyari siya, yung mga ano, was wearing this bluish shadow na, ano niya, earthen cross. Oh, nagkakag ko na, because it was a trend. It looks awful now. No, for a wedding. For the picture niya, makita niyo pa. So, palaguan yung taon mo yung picture niya ipakita. Kaya dahil like it, bluish shadow. Di pa alay pa yun. Ako mo sa point, be you. Be natural. Right? Be safe. Always make sure, be safe on your wedding day. Parang yung picture will last another 20 years and you have to look the same. Be classic. Right? Do not be too trendy. Wala. Kanina nasa ko talo kung bilang ang tulong brush on day. And 10 years ago, kung na talo, kung brush on day, kasi temporal hair, kaya ako sa agtang. Right? It may very, very uso now. It may look funny afterwards. Right? And you only have one time to picture, and you need to have that on your wall. And then I'm sure your kids are going to say, Mom, I think you have to be the decision you're going to be doing. You made a bad decision, Mom. Right? So again, look normal on your wedding day. Okay? And that's my best suggestion for you. Just be safe and be you. Thank you so much. Any question?
We always like to look our best, especially when there's a special occasion at the head. Now every woman knows that the right lip color and the perfect shade of blush can turn the most plain of jades into a ravishing princess. And to make that happen, we need an artist, a visionary, a painter who knows how to highlight the best essence and bring out the natural beauty in you. Me, I only count on one name, Jessie Lowe. Jessie Lowe.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Jessie Glova. Real quick, no? We have questions now. Is the time for you to find out, no? If you want to ask what really is my skin tone, what is the makeup that's right for me, we have Jessie on stage. Yes, please introduce yourself and your question.
Hi, my name is Marky. It's like when you
nag-host
suggest for like brides who are getting married, like sa mainit without the
Picture mo na, next time.